Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So this is the final progress as far as what's going to happen today. Going forward, there's going to be a lot of sorting between what I'm keeping, what I'm destashing, and what I'm giving away. As far as like giveaways, because I have a lot of stuff that's brand new that you know how it is. We buy stuff, we think we're going to use it, and we don't. So, but yeah. So this is where we're at. I've had a lot of questions. I'm going to try and answer a couple of them. This is going to be a short video, but this is my now wall of IKEA. And I have to determine what Jetmax cubes I'm keeping. They'll be going up top. I've decided that the bulk of the ones that have drawer systems, if they don't fit on top of this unit here, they're not staying. I'm probably going to list them locally to get rid of. I haven't decided yet. But, yeah. Some of y'all had asked. So these up here, these are also part of the Alex line. So these are Alex here. These are Alex. And just like that one back there, that's a tall version of these guys right here. So all of this is IKEA. And the next stage for IKEA, I think it's going to be in 2 weeks because I work this Monday through Saturday, which only leaves Sunday. And I'm going to have to go get another 3x4 of the Kallax units because I have the one that I showed y'all in the IKEA haul video that's already assembled. So they're going to go here. They're going to stack on top of each other. All of this is going away. I'm probably going to sell off these cube systems up here because they're actually meant for craft storage, but I'm not keeping them. They're going. I am going to find a home for everything, and what doesn't fit is leaving. I think I have decided that those cubes right there are going to end up in the dresser. Or not the dresser, in my closets. This right here and the door over there, this is kind of like a pass-through closet, if that makes sense. If I were to open it up, I could like kind of like wedge my way through to the other door, but I'm a little more fluffy, so that's not gonna, that'll never work. But, so this is today's progress, and so now the sorting and the putting away is going to begin, and, yeah. So, if you have any questions, leave them below. I will try to get to them, because of all the sorting that's going to happen. I don't know how quickly I'm going to be able to answer everybody, but as y'all know, I try to answer everybody. So, yeah. And I think we actually just hit 1,400 subscribers today. So, I also have to try and work in, 15, at the 1,500, I want to do another giveaway. So that's only 100 people away, and yeah. So, I love you guys. Thanks for all your support. I'm happy this is finally happening. Real quick, so this little space here, this is gonna become, we're gonna put a little board in here to like level it all out, and I'm gonna store all my like flat mats and stuff in that little spot there. So yeah, it's coming along. Y'all have heard me talk about it for months, and it's finally happening. So, I hope y'all have a great Sunday, a blessed Sunday, and, you get some crafty, projects taken care of. And as always, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.